Welcome to another tech video. Today we're going to be having a look at a turntable. So when we're doing our product reviews, we've always fancied, being able to sort of have a product and have it rotating and then do a video of that on a rotational basis so you can see the full 360 view. So we bought a turntable and we're going to have a look at it today. Okay, so we've got no idea what the quality is going to be like of this, but this was 60 quid, and surprisingly I was actually quite alarmed by the price of these things. They can be pretty expensive. So we went for a black one, and in the box we get some instructions in good. We do have some English in here, which is good. So we've got a remote control instructions, and that's pretty much it, and a diagram of what the buttons are. So the remote control actually looks pretty good. I have no idea what any of the symbols mean, but it tells us. So this one here, 1 degree rotation, back to set position, set original position, multi-angle back and forth rotation, decelerate, accelerate, turn left, turn right, start, pause. And then this one up here, intermittent rotation, so you can take photographs as it goes round, and then continuous rotation and store the current position. So in the remote, no batteries in there, so let's see if we get any in here. The turntable itself is fairly large. Comes with a power brick adapter, and not sure what that is. Qualified certificate, so quality certificate there. It comes in a sort of sealed bag. It's never a good sign. And the adapter is 240 watt, 2 amp. Doesn't say the wattage, and it's the model 1520 adapter. Again, not sure what that means. Fairly well packaged in bubble wrap. Don't usually see something like this in bubble wrap, but it has come from, I presume, China. This was an Amazon special. I think the most expensive one we saw on Amazon was about 700 quid, but this was about £60. And then, okay, so here's the unit itself. It's quite a large unit. Display turntable, so we got some non-slip pads on the bottom, which seem quite slippy. So the non-slip pads seem to be not particularly grippy, but I presume that will alternatively, it will help with the sound dampening. And then on the top, this is sprung loaded. It apparently can take up to 100 kilos, although we're not going to be trying it with that. This is going to be used for various products that we want to take a 360 video of. Comes with a little bit of tape stuck over the on-off switch, and on the front we've got a white light, and we've got, looks like an infrared receiver, and the power input here, and then an on-off switch. Okay, so straight away, if you turn it on, it's recharged, so it's got rechargeable batteries in it. That's good. No batteries for the remote, so you will need 2 AAA batteries in there. Okay, so once it's unpacked, let's switch it off again, which we've done. Let's get this plugged in. And we'll get that connected and see if we get any lights, which we do. So we get looks like a charging light on the front here. Let's now have a look at the instructions. Okay, so I'm not sure how you would get into it. I think there's a screw underneath the label here. Certainly feels like it. Maybe that releases it, but looks like the batteries are installed in there. I'm not going to take this apart, but let's now just have a look at the rotational value of it. While that's going round, let's insert a couple of AAA batteries. So we've got two rechargeable AAA batteries that should have some power in them. And let's have a look. So let's try the rotation. So that's that way. Let's try the rotation the other way, which all sort of works. Let's increase the speed. And now let's slow the speed down. Okay, so the speed rotation, I'm not sure what the measurement is. Let's speed it up to the maximum. And then let's do a staggered rotation for taking photos. That doesn't seem to do anything. Let's pause it and stop it. Okay, let's try it from stationary. Nope, that doesn't work. Multi-angle back and forth rotation, let's try that. We'll let it do a whole circuit. Okay, so that seems to work. And then this one here, multi-angle back and forth rotation. So let's try stop it, and let's try that one, see if it does anything. Okay, so this does a smaller rotation. $90 degrees. So this is probably 45 degrees and then 90 degrees. So we'll stop that. Let's check that one again. This should be, I'm not sure at the moment. It says 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 320 degrees. Okay, yep, so that works. Let's stop it and let's do the center one, which should be $90 degrees. Yep. Okay, so that all works. What else have we got? Intermittent rotation. Okay, so this unit obviously doesn't do the intermittent rotation because it doesn't work. And this one here, set origin position, back to set position, 1 degree rotation. Okay, so that rotates it 1 degree every time you press the button. What do we think so far? The only annoying thing is the fact that every time you press the button, it beeps. So if you're recording a video and you want to take a shot, a little bit annoying having the beep on there. But on the whole, for 60 quid, I guess when you look at the other products that are 600 odd, then it's not a bad buy. And certainly we'll have a look at this and see if we can improve some of the product reviews that we do. What do we think about it? It does what it says on the tin. So apparently it does up to 100 kilos weight, although we've not tried that. As you've seen, we tried it with a Dell Optiplex desktop machine, which is about 4 to 5 kilos. Handle that without any problem at all. The only issue that we've got is on the remote where it says it does staggered rotation for photos. It's not the be all and end all. You can use the play and stop button or use the 1 degree rotation tool to get the same effect. So just press that, take a photo, do the next one, take a photo. You know, but for the price it is, yeah, absolutely happy with it. The next thing we need to do is obviously see if we can improve our lighting, which is the next phase for us. As I say, if you found that video useful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.